I'm doomed. I'm doomed.
It may be a little embarrassing, but when you see how happy you've made your Grammy, it'll all be worth it. Your brothers and sisters have all gone through the same rite of passage and survived. Mwah.
My sweater had frills of lace and a big pink bow. I had to wear it on a shopping trip with Grammy. We were at the mall and...
Oh!
Oh, the humiliation!
Jake. You think you got it rough?
Oh!
Why do you keep it
What
locked
the?
up?
Hey, if knowledge of this ever leaked out, my rep would be seriously damaged. Luckily, you don't have a rep yet, Squirt.
Hey!
Wait!
Whoa!
Whoa!
A message from Mr. Dinglebat. Visit the hairy quails ASAP. Wobbly chins for girl sheep. Okay, hairy
boy.
quails, HQ. That means meet me at headquarters. ASAP, as soon as possible. Wobbly chins is code for secret mission. For girl sheep? A girl sheep is a you. Secret mission for you, which means me. If I'm
Thanks!
lucky, I'll have to go behind enemy lines for a week or two, and I'll miss the dinner with Grammy.